Hey guys, I'll be taking you through from editing. So we're gonna be talking about the AutoSum. So what does AutoSum mean? AutoSum is auto summation, like adding everything. Like now, let's say given a value of this. So now you want to add everything. So instead of using a calculator, to just highlight, and just when you've highlighted, just go to AutoSum. Just click on it. So when you click on it, so down there, so you're gonna see your summation of everything. So also manually you can do this. So let's do this manually also. So without going to that tab. So using my Excel, actually mainly you're going to be typing them manually. You have to know these formulas. So actually you don't really need to like put them or like learn them often, but you can just for faster typing and the rate at which you're going to be done with your work. So let's say for example you want to add this. So now let me delete this. So now let me add it using my formulas. So you say equals to, you start with equals to. So you type sum, sum of what? Sum of what? So I want to say, so you're going to open brackets. Sum open brackets. So I want to start from A1, which is 500. So you can type the A1 backspace, or you can just click on A1. Yeah, like this. So as you can see, it's still same thing. So you're going to put in the column. Oh, sorry. So you're going to come here. So you put in a column. So I think the column is there already. So A1 to A11. So when you're using this column, so that means you're covering like you're covering like um many cells. Yeah. So from cell A1 to cell. So which cell do you want to add up to? So we are adding up to cell A11. So just click on cell A11. So as you can see, just close the bracket and say enter. So as if you remember vividly, we got the same value. So yeah, so that's it. So that's for summation. Let's go here. So we say average. So we want to calculate the average of this. So it's just same thing. So let me delete this number. So maybe you want to calculate average. So just say equals to same. Say average open bracket from D1. Click on this, then say the colon. It's your column there. Sorry. Let me do colon 2 to D11. So just close the bracket and enter. So it's gonna give you the average of these numbers. Yeah. So as far as you know what you want to do, so if you want to now let's go for the next one, which is what the max or count. So if you want to count the numbers, so just come here, just say equals to I want to count open bracket from where F1. As you can see, F is this and 1 because the value is in F, the column of F and the row of 1. So they can so say F1 to colon so which was the last cell you want to calculate. So which is F. You see, this is F. Let's trace it. F11. So you say F11. So I want to count the numbers there. You say enter. So now it's telling me that I have 11. So which you can count manually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,